Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel, Taj Beauty TV. So today I have a major haul for you guys from Victoria's Secrets, both the Victoria's Secrets line and the pink line. So it's a big haul, so I'm gonna get right into it, okay? Okay. And I will be offering some giveaways at the end of the video, so please be sure to watch all the way through. Subscribe to my channel, find my link in the bio, and please subscribe and share with some friends. And until next time. Okay guys, so let's get right into it. I'm gonna start off. My line today is gonna be like loungewear and also exercise outfits and things like that. You know I love my loungewear. So the first thing is this Most Incredible boot cut yoga legging. Now it has this cute sage line and it has the Victoria's Secrets in this rose gold color. Super cute. The bottom of the leggings are boot cut and they're very stretchy. I bought them in the size large. They feel really good on, so I'm loving these yoga leggings. Now I paired it with this cute little bralette. I believe she's in the size extra large. She fits quite comfortable. So you know how some bralettes are kind of loose filling and they don't really give you much support. Thankfully, these ones fit really well. And then I also paired this one with this hoodie right here. Now this one is oversized. It's in a size large, but it fit pretty loose, which is not a good thing or a bad thing, but it fit pretty loose. So the Victoria's Secrets emblem in this one is like this metallic silver color. It has the kangaroo pouch for your hands. It's this mint type of green, but I still believe that it pairs well with these outfits right here, with these colors right here. So this is the first outfit, you guys. Very comfortable. Let me know down below if it's a hit or miss. And moving on to the next outfit. Okay, so the next outfit is this cute lime green. I don't know if it's showing up as bright as it is, but it's like this lime green color with the color blocking on the sleeves in gray and white. Super duper cute and comfortable. Now this one also is, this one is an extra large. I thought that it was oversized in a size large, but it's the extra large. What's cute about this one is the drawstring right here. So you could go ahead and adjust that and make it like a crop top, or you could wear it as is, and then it's kind of just like a looser sweatshirt. So this one is on the thicker side. It's lightweight, but it definitely is going to give you warmth, okay? So this sweater is super cute. I really enjoy this sweater. Now I paired this one with the leggings that I have on now, which came from Old Navy. They're these ribbed biker short leggings, but I thought that it paired well. So yeah. So this one, I probably wouldn't be wearing this one right now because we're in triple digits, but definitely when it starts cooling off, I will be wearing this this sweatshirt. So, and then of course it has the pink going across the chest right here, and this one I really like as well. So moving on. All right guys, so next, like I said, we have a little bit of everything. So next I have these cute bras. Okay, I'm not gonna say my bra size because that's just, I don't know, too personal. But let me go ahead and pin this together real quick. So I got these really cute bras right here, you guys. Now what I loved about these bras, first off, was the color, the lace, and also this cute little lace detail in the back. Like I said, I'm working on losing some weight, so the cup on this one was actually a little bit too big, so I might have to go ahead and exchange that for the next size down. You'll see in the pictures how they fit. It definitely felt comfortable. The lace was not itchy at all, but definitely a cute bra. And I haven't worn this yet, so now that I've taken it out the package, I guess I need to wear it. I like how right here also how the band is lace. I thought that was a cute little feature too. And then of course the back of the bra is super duper cute. Okay, and then it has like these little, I guess, flowers or whatever. So let me show you this one right here. Now this one was really cute, and I really love the way this bra fit right here, you guys. Same thing, it has the scallop lace around the front. This feature is super cute in the back. This color change with the bra straps, super cute. You'll see in the pictures. And then I like the lace detail on this band as well. And then it has a cute little V emblem right here. This one actually to me fit better. They're the same size, but this one fit better than the white one. But both bras, you guys, are super cute, and I can't wait to wear them. All right, guys, so let's move on to the next look. Okay, so next thing up is this cute sky blue jogger set. Now this one right here, the pants are kind of like, what I want to say, not crop top, that don't make sense, but they're kind of like, I can't think of the word, but they're not long. They're kind of like on the shorter side, if that makes sense, but they're not flooding. They're tapered, so they're tapered leggings. You'll see what I'm talking about. They're tapered joggers. You'll see what I'm talking about. It has the pockets. Now what I loved about these ones is that it felt so comfortable. It was like a teddy bear giving you a big old squeeze. It felt super good, you guys. I did get these in the size large. It has the pockets, it has the drawstring. It fit really good to me. I like the way it fit. So here's the bands. You'll see in the photos how they fit. And then of course here is the the top. And the top has the kangaroo pouch. It has the Victoria's Secret logo across the front. Same thing. It's a size large, but it felt really good, and it felt like it's too hot to wear right now for sure, but you know it's not gonna be hot forever, so I'm definitely gonna be wearing this as soon as it cools off a bit. But this set right here, you guys, is super cute and probably one of my favorites so far. All right, next outfit. Okay, moving right along. Now this shirt right here is what I got from the pink collection, as well as that lime green top. So I'm moving on to the pink collection. Now the cute thing about this one is this back, it says love pink. So, but it's like this pretty little ombre pink colors happening right here on this blue and white ash wash with also pink right here. So this top is super cute. Me and my sister actually got the same one because we both loved it. Now this one, I feel like you could wear this with anything. You could wear it with biker shorts, you could wear it with jeans. So there's many ways that you could go ahead and style this top here. I did pair it with these cute pink shorts. These are in the size extra large. The top was in the size large. I always get extra large for my thick old legs. So I like the color blocking right here where it says pink. On this side is just plain white. It does have pockets. It does have a drawstring. These fit really comfy, but also versatile. I'm pretty sure you could wear this with so many other things. Casual, cute, easy on the go look. Win-win. Okay guys, so here we are moving along. I don't even know what outfit we are on, but we on something. Okay, so these are some purple joggers. Once again, they are tapered at the bottom, so you can wear some really cute sneakers with this. I like the waistband. It's super thick and it has the black drawstring. It has pockets that are versatile. It feels really good. I did get these in the size extra large as well. I would say that they weren't too loose. I don't know what I consider them to be true to size or not, but I definitely did enjoy these pink joggers in the color purple. I did pair it with this cute gray sweatshirt. Now what I like about this sweatshirt is that it's off the shoulder and it looked really cute, really collegiate, you know. So yeah, I really like this gray sweatshirt. I like the waistband. I like the sleeves. Very simple, but sometimes simple is also just girly. I liked it. So what I did do is pair them with these cute pink slides, okay? I know I'm saying pink because pink is the brand, but clearly the color is purple. But yeah, I did pair them with these cute pink slides, you guys. They match the purple literally identically. So it is what they were made for each other. They were made for each other. They were so cute, so cute. Okay, so I think this is like my second favorite outfit so far. Check the photos below so you can see how they looked and how they matched and all of that stuff. And moving on to the next outfit. Okay, so this one, I will say, when I first purchased this, I was gonna wear together with this. As you can see, it matches great together, right? But then I thought, oh my gosh, that's too much purple on purple on purple, so let me go ahead and break it up. Same concept, obviously, off the shoulder, cute little waistband. I got this in the size large as well as the gray one. So the good thing about pink is with most of their items, you could break it up and make multiple outfits, interchange the looks. So that's like what's really cool about it. So that's what I did. Okay, so moving on. So I did get these gray joggers, and like I said, the gray was supposed to go with the gray and purple was supposed to go with the purple, but I did break it up and hopefully that looked okay. So what I noticed about these joggers right here is they were very much high-waisted, so I really didn't like the way it looked with the sweatshirt so much. I would probably wear this one with a crop top. Because these are so high-waisted that it really just didn't flow well with the sweatshirt. But I love the cargo pockets on here, the cute little pink logo. These were super cute. I actually have some sneakers that I want to wear with these, and I think I will. But like I said, definitely warm and cozy, so not really ideal to wear right now, but when the weather permits, I definitely will be wearing them. Okay, so another thing is I got these cute little slippers. Now the slippers, I paired them, as you know, I paired them with this outfit here. Now it might not match truly or anything like that, but I just thought that it was cute because I just thought it complemented each other. So yeah, these are the cute little pink fuzzies, and I did get these in the size large. Okay, so moving on to the last outfit. All right, guys, so here is the last outfit, okay? So this is this cute little workout jogger set, okay? Now it's this sage color with the animal print, super cute, very stretchy. It has this cute little lace detail going around the bottom, as you can see from the photos how it fit. It also has this cute little pocket right here. I guess you're supposed to put like your ID or whatever. I never used those pockets though. But I like the way these fit. They're very stretchy, but at the same time, they seem to stay in place. Of course, I haven't worked out in the outfit yet, but just trying them on and everything, they definitely seem secure, and they're going to go ahead and keep everything in place. So I paired it with this bra. What I did notice though is that the bra is not exactly matchy-matchy. I don't know if you could tell on the camera. It's like a little bit of a contrast difference. Like this one's a little bit lighter, this one's a little bit darker, but who cares, you know? So I'm gonna be wearing this together with this. I thought the detailing of this sports bra was super cute. Here's the back, crisscross back, very cute, very cute. Here's the inside of it. Once again, these ones a little bit too big for me right now from the time that I bought it. All three bras are the same size, but I feel like I could definitely go down one size. But other than that, I definitely think that this is my top third outfit. Let me know what you guys think down below if you're going to be picking up any of these items from Victoria's Secrets or Pink. There's so many items, I don't know. But yeah, if you guys do decide to pick up anything, please let me know in the comments down below. Okay? And until next time, if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. But the moment y'all all been waiting for, right? The giveaway. Okay, well, let's get right into it. Giveaway. Okay, so you guys know that I've been working on my channel, okay? Trying to get the subscribers, trying to be consistent. So what I need you guys to do to help me further that is go ahead, make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Make sure you follow the description box in this video. Follow my Instagram. Follow me there, and I'm going to be posting a photo on my Instagram regarding this video, okay? So I need you guys in the comments of that post to put Team Taj, hashtag Team Taj, hashtag Road to 1K, okay? And tag 3 friends. Now, for more information, go ahead and look the description box. I'm gonna leave it more detailed information, and you could be the winner of one of these Victoria's Secret weekend bags, as well as some other goodies that I'm gonna stuff inside the bag, okay? So it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be really cute, really cute. So once again, make sure you're following me on Instagram and YouTube. Leave in the comments hashtag Team Taj, hashtag Road to 1K. DM me your proof, and I'll be selecting a winner from there. And I can't wait to see who wins. I'm so excited. And you need to be an actual real subscriber, okay? Like a real subscriber, okay? So other than that, you guys, I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for your continued love and support. And until next time, bye.